I wanted to provide you with some review on the mixed problems. That was the assignment for before spring break. And I decided to break it up into Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, and Gay-Lussac's Law. So the first one I'm doing is Boyle's Law. And so there's the formula in front of you. So problem 1 is a Boyle's Law problem, as is 5, 10, 12, and 14. So number 1 is asking for what would the final volume be. And so number 1 would be V2 equals P1 V1 over P2, which is 240 milliliters times 0.428 atmospheres divided by 0.724 atmospheres, and the answer is 140 milliliters. Okay, for number 5, in this one you're also solving for V2, so that's going to be the same problem, or same formula, excuse me. And in this one, the pressure was the volume, excuse me, was 1 times 10 to the 6 milliliters. And obviously I'm using distributive property mathematics because I've got pressure and I put pressure over there. So volume I put first. Really doesn't matter that much. If I'm confusing you, I apologize. The pressure was 575 millimeters. And then the new pressure, you're told in this particular problem, is 1.25 atmospheres. That creates a little bit of a problem for us. But if we realize that 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeters, then millimeters cancel, atmospheres cancel. You're left with milliliters. And the answer is 6.05 times 10 to the 5th milliliter. Okay, for number 10, once again, you're solving for V2. And in number 10, you're given 740 millimeters of pressure. Sorry, 740 millimeters of pressure. And the volume is 2 liters. And the new pressure is 760 millimeters. Millimeters cancel out, and your answer is 1.9 liters. For number 12, you're solving for P1. And P1 equals P2 V2 over V1. You get 760 millimeters of pressure, and you got 8 liters, and the other was 2.5 liters, and you get 2,430 millimeters, and I misread this when it started with standard pressure, which is atmospheres. That made the math a whole lot easier. 3.20 atmospheres. Yeah, instead of putting 760, I put in 1 atmosphere. Makes the math a whole lot easier. Sorry about that. Same answer. 3.20 atmospheres. 3 significant digits. Okay, on number 14, once again, you're solving for V2 like several of the others. You get P1 V1 over P2. Pressure is 2.3 atmospheres, 17 liters. The initial pressure, final pressure is 1.5 atmospheres, and your answer is 26 liters. So again, that will serve as our Boyle's Law review.